Hi everyone, my name is Mike Baba Haina. I'm going to be speaking to you on no excuse in life. A lot of people are giving excuses today. Because of my father, I couldn't go to school. Because of my uncle, that's why I didn't make it. Because of my aunt, that's why I didn't. Because of my teacher, because of my pastor, because of my politicians, because of this, because of that. These are excuses. They are not real. They are only being made by people. Great people don't make excuses. They go outside there and make things happen. You need to step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your fear. That shade of fear that making you thinking, oh, you can't do it, you can't make it. Because you are a black boy, because you are from Africa, because you are from Malaysia, because you are from Asia, because you are from Malawi, because you are from Nigeria, because you are from South Africa, because you are from Ghana, you can't make it. Who told you that lie? Who told you that a black boy can make it? Who told you that you can't do great things? Who told you you can't blow people's mind? You can't do extraordinary things? No excuse. Excuses are not real. They are only made by people. The people that are leading the world today, the world changers, they don't make excuses. In fact, they don't have excuse in their dictionary. It doesn't exist. And I fall into those categories of people. I don't believe in excuses. When I come in contact with you and you give me excuses, I excuse myself from you because I don't believe in excuses. Until I see you next time, please